Hello everybody, what's going on? Few massive updates are coming from NIO's and company's premium boutique sub-brand just shipped a massive batch of cars to Europe and critically confirmed its sights are now set on North America. This isn't a logistical announcement. This is the moment NIO officially pivoted from a high potential Chinese EV maker to a true global automotive powerhouse. And for the stock, this expansion news is massive bullish catalyst. First, let's talk about Europe. The speed of this expansion is what should catch your eye. Firefly officially debuted in China in April of this year. By August, it was already commencing European deliveries. We are talking about less than 4 months from the launch to overseas deliveries. This week, we saw a large batch of these urban stylish EV setting sail from Shanghai. They are already on the road in the Netherlands, Norway, Belgium, and Denmark, and now the expansion isn't slowing down. Pre-orders are opening soon in Austria, Greece, and Portugal. So, why this is important? Because Firefly is designed to take on iconic brands like Mini and the Smart. The high margin urban compact segment that established automaker guard fiercely by successfully executing this rollout. NIO is proving two things. Its global logistics and supply chain are mature. Second thing is that they are choosing a national distributor model to reduce capex risk, allowing for fast capital light market entry. NIO is executing on its vision for a multi-brand ecosystem and it's proving it can win outside of China. But the real game changer is the next headline. For the first time, Firefly has explicitly confirmed that its global expansion efforts will include North America. Now, let's be realistic. The US market is complex and currently shielded by massive traffic, but North America is a strategic umbrella. This likely means Canada and Mexico. This likely means Canada or Mexico, and that's a stroke of genius. Mexico is already a strong entry point for several Chinese automakers, and Canada is the key. There has been recent talks about Canadian government potentially revisiting and eliminating the 100% tariff on Chinese EV. If this happens, Firefly is perfectly positioned to capture a significant portion of that premium small car market immediately. The timing of this announcement suggests NIO is moving to capture a first mover advantage. The second, the regulatory landscape clears. This is a massive strategy de-risking for NIO stock. Investors have long punished NIO for its perceived heavy reliance on the competitive Chinese market. A successful high volume entry into sophisticated North American customer base fundamentally changes NIO valuation multiple. It turns NIO from a regional player into a true global growth stock. Now let's connect the dot back to the balance sheet and the stock price. Why should this make you more bullish on NIO than ever? The Firefly brand completes NIO's three-brand triumvirate. NIO, the high-end luxury experience. Ledao, the volume driver, family-focused mass market brand. And Firefly, the urban premium entry-level driver. This multi-brand strategy is the playbook of every successful legacy automaker. But NIO is executing it in the EV era and integrating them all into the massive priority NIO power ecosystem. The battery swap stations. Firefly cards will use NIO battery swapping technology. This creates a powerful network effect. More Firefly cards in Europe and North America means more utilization of the swap stations, which drives revenue, justifies more infrastructure investment, and gives NIO a competitive moat that Tesla and other rivals simply cannot match overseas. This global expansion is all about scale and diversification. Scale drives down cost and diversification mitigate geopolitical risk. Both of these factors warrant a higher premium on the stock valuation. The market is finally starting to see the true potential of this ambitious plan. So, what's the takeaway here? The Firefly expansion is not just a few thousand cars shipped. It's the final tangible proof that NIO's long-term global strategy is fully in motion. They have a full spectrum product line, a capital efficient expansion model, and a technology moat with their swapping network. NIO is no longer waiting for the market to give it credit. It's aggressively taking it. The stock is positioned to benefit as revenue stream diversifies and the global story takes hold. So keep this stock on your radar because NIO is transforming from a promising Chinese EV company into a genuine unstoppable global EV powerhouse. The future for NIO is bright and the stock looks ready to soar. So get ready for it. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in next one.